Students, in the previous class, we are discussing about the 10th standard chapter area related to circles. So, in this chapter, we have discussed about the previous concepts which you have studied in the chapter circle, and also we know we have remembered the formulas of the circle. So different concepts on the circles, that is circle, circumference of a circle, radius, center of the circle, chord, diameter, segment, minor segment, major segment, and also angle on the semicircle. So similarly, we have studied some of the formulas also. So can you recall the formula? So that is the first one is formula to find out the circumference of a circle. Can you tell me what is the formula to find out the circumference of a circle? Yes. Yes, come on. Repeat that. First one is circumference of a circle. Circumference of a circle. C equals 2 pi r units. Yes. C equals 2 pi r units. So this is one formula. And also you know that the formula to find out the area of the circle. Can you tell me the formula to find out the area of the circle? Yes. It is A equals pi r square. A equals pi r square. So second one is area of a circle. Area of a circle. A equals pi r square units. Pi r square units. And also we have seen the formula to find out the perimeter of the circle. So perimeter is nothing but the circumference of a circle. Perimeter is nothing but the circumference of a circle. This also is equal to C equals to pi r. And also we know the sector. Formula to find out the area of the sector. So in that sector also different types of sectors are there. Major sector and minor sector. Isn't it? So now students, we will see that some problems on these two formulas. We will see some problems on these two formulas. Okay. Now students, observe the problem. The radii of two circles are 19 centimeter and 9 centimeter respectively. The radii of two circles are 19 centimeter and 9 centimeter respectively. Find the radius of the circle which has circumference equal to the sum of the circumferences of the two circles. Students, before going to simplify this problem, we have to understand the problem and we have to write the given data. And next we will calculate what they have told in the problem. So here they are given in the problem, given that the radii of two circles, one is 19 centimeter, other one is 9 centimeter. But we have to calculate. We have to calculate the radius of the circle. So that is what we have to calculate, the radius of the circle. So that circle radius and the circumference of the circle is always the sum of these two circles. The circumference of the circle is equal to, you have to understand this, the circumference of a circle is equal to sum of the circumference of the two circles. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ, ಎರಡು ಸರ್ಕಲ್ನ ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಒಂದು 19 ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್ ಒಂದು 9 ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಸರ್ಕಲಿನ ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಆ ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಕ್ಲೂ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಏನಂತ, ಸರ್ಕಂಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ದಿ ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಸರ್ಕಂಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಟು ಸರ್ಕಲ್ಸ್. ಆ ಹೊಸದಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂತಹ ಸರ್ಕಲಿನ ಸರ್ಕಂಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಏನಿರ್ತದೆ, ಆ ಎರಡು ಸರ್ಕಲ್ಸ್ ಏನಿರ್ತವಲ್ಲ ಆ ಎರಡು ಸರ್ಕಲ್ಸ್ನ ಸಮ್ ಮೊತ್ತಕ್ಕೆ ಸಮನಾಗಿರ್ತದೆ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ shall we simplify the problem? First we will write the data. So data, radius of the circle R1. So solution is radius R1 equals 19 centimeter. That is the radius of first circle. And radius of second circle R2. So what is the radius of the second circle? Yes, it is 9 centimeter. 9 centimeter. What we have to find out? Radius of the third circle, that is R3. R3 equals question mark. So that we are going to find out. Now students, we are going to use the circumference of a circle formula. Okay. Now circumference of circle, first circle. Circumference of first circle. So that is C1. C1 equals 2 pi r. In place of r, I will write it as r1. So formula is same. C equals 2 pi r. Here we are going to find out the circumference of the first circle. Therefore, I have taken C1 as the circumference and corresponding R1 as the radius of the first circle. Now substitute. So 2 into, write the pi as it is. R1, radius of the first circle is 19. Equals 19 twos are 38 pi units. 38 pi units. So this is the circumference of a first circle. Circumference of the first circle. Okay. So that is the circumference of the first circle. Similarly, so we will find out the circumference of the second circle. So circumference of the second circle. C2. We will take up as a C2. C2 equals 2 into pi into R2. C2 equals 2 into pi into R2. So now substitute the value of R2. So it will become 2, write the pi as it is, into R2 is 9 centimeter equals 9 centimeter, sorry. So here we write centimeter, unit as, sorry, this as centimeter. So 9 twos are 18.5 centimeter. So this is the circumference of the circle tube. Now students, we will coming to the last step. So we have to find out the radius of the third circle. We have to find out the radius of the third circle. So that is, first similarly we will write that, write circumference of the third circle. C3. C3 will be equal to, so what they have given, yes, what they have given, they have given, so it will be equal to the sum of the first two circles, so C1 plus C2, so it will be the sum of circumference of the first circle and the circumference of the second circle. So here, so once again we take 2 pi r. So here I will write it as 2 pi r3 because this is a circle number 3. 2 pi r3 is equal to, so it is the circumference of the first circle. Yes, it is 38 pi plus the circumference of the second circle is 18 pi. 18 pi. So now take down the in the right side. So write the left side as it is 2 pi r3 equals in this. So if you take the common, so common is so it is, if you take add this, if you add this 48 plus 18, so it will be 38 plus 18, so 8 plus 8 16, 1 carry, so it will be 1 plus 3 4 plus 1 5, 56 5. Now cross multiply this 2 pi to here, then R3 radius of the third circle is 56 pi by 2 pi. 56 pi by 2 pi. So pi get cancels. So 2 ones are 2 twos are 1 carry 2 eights are. So therefore R3 equals 28 centimeter. R3 is equal to 28 centimeter. That means the radius of the third circle, so it will be equal to 28 centimeter. Okay student, so I think you have understand how to simplify this problem. So before going to the next problem, so you have to first once again observe the method which we are used here. Now students, observe the next problem. Next problem of the exercise 5.1. The radii of two circles are 8 cm and 6 cm respectively. The radii of two circles are 8 cm and 6 cm respectively. Find the radius of the circle having area equal to, so observe here, area equal to the sum of the areas of two circles. The area of the third circle is equal to the sum of the areas of these two circles. Okay students, as in the previous problem, so if you observe the previous problem and to this problem, so there is only one difference is there. So can you tell me what will be the difference in that first problem and the second problem? Yes, in the first problem, so there in that problem also they have given the radius of 19 centimeter and 9 centimeter. But in the first problem, they have given that the circumference of a circle of the third is equal to the sum of the circumference of the other two circles. So here the area will be equal to the sum of the areas of other two circles. So therefore in the previous problem, so we have taken the formula of circumference of a circle. But here we are going to use the area of the circle. We are going to use the area of the circle. Okay, I think you have understand what is the difference between the first problem and the second problem. So now shall we write the data? Yes, okay. So first one is radius of the first circle. Radius of the first circle is 8 centimeters. R1 equals 8 centimeter. And what will be the radius of the second circle? Yes, R2. R2 equals 6 centimeter. 6 centimeter. Then what we have to find out? So we have to find out the radius of the third circle. R3 equals question mark. Now we are going to use the area of the circle. So area of the first circle. Area of the first circle. A1 is equal to pi R1 square. So area, since area of the circle is pi r square, so area of the first circle is A1 equals pi R1 square. Now substitute, write the pi as it is. R1 is 8 square. R1 is 8 square. So what will the value of 8 square? 8 into 8, it is 64. Yes. So therefore, the area of the first circle is 64 pi. 64 pi centimeter square. Square centimeter. 64 pi centimeter square. Okay. Now we will find out similarly the area of the second circle. Area of the second circle. So yes, once again A2. You will take up. I have written it as A2. A2 equals 5 r2 square. 5 r2 square. So which will be equals, write the pi as it is into the our value of r2 is 6 square. So it is 6 square. So it will be 6 6 are 36. 36 5 centimeter square or square centimeter. So this is the area of the second circle. Okay. Now, what will be the area of the third circle? So it will be equal to the sum of these two circles. So sum of the areas of the first two circles. Now, so area of the third circle, A3 is always equal to A1 plus A2. It has given in the program. So area of the third circle is equal to area of the first circle and the area of the second circle. So formula is here 5 r3 square, where r3 is the radius of the third circle. 5 r3 equals, so a1 we are already calculated 64 pi, 64 pi plus a2 we got it's 36 pi, it is 36 pi. Now in the left side write as it is 5 r2 r3 square, 5 r3 square equals, so if you take pi as common, so it will be 64 plus 36 pi r3 square. R3 square, don't get confused. R3 means so radius of third circle. So equals 5 into 100. 5 into 100. So now if you cross multiply this, R3 radius of the third circle equals, so pi into 100 by pi. So pi get cancels. R3 square radius of the third circle equals 100. So R3 square equals, this can be written as 10 square, and that can be written as 10 square. Therefore radius of the third circle, square get cancels, or equals 10 centimeter. Radius of the third circle is 10 centimeter. Okay students, for this problem, first you have to find out the area of the first circle by using A equals pi r square. So they have got the area of first circle is 64 pi square centimeter. So similarly find out the area of the second circle. So it will be equal to, it will be equal to 36 pi square centimeter. So whereas in the case of area of the third circle is, it will be the sum of the two circles. So A3 equals A1 plus A2. A3 means pi r2, pi r3 square equals 64 pi plus 36. So right left side as it is. In the right side, pi is common. If you take pi common, so it will be pi into 100. Cross multiply this, pi get cancelled. R3 square, radius of the third circle equals 100. So which will be equal to 10 square. Therefore, the radius of the third circle is 10 centimeter. So I hope that you have cleared how to solve this problem. Okay, students. Now, students. So there are two problems. Another two problems are there in exercise 5.1. The two problems are there, exercise 5.1. So you have to simplify it in your home. So if you got any doubts, you can contact in class, regular classes, or you can contact and clear with me. Now I will move on to the next part of this area related to circles, so which is an important part. So that is area of the circle, which is you have already studied in the previous class. So sector means it is a region. Sector means it is a region which is bounded by the two radii. So right here, if you observe in this figure, so here it is O is the center of the circle. So OA and OB are the two radii. OA and OB are the two radii. So observe here, this is one radii, this is another radii, but they are equal because these two are the radii of the same circle. And the arc of the circle, So this portion is called as the sector. I think you have cleared about the definition of the sector. Sector means it is a region bounded by the two radii of the same circle and an arc. So this is called as the sector. So here this is also called as a sector. So here it is called as minor sector, and this is major sector. So this is minor sector. So this is major sector. So students, so this is here, it is an angle theta. Theta is there. So therefore, the formula to find out the area of this sector is you have seen in the previous class itself. So area of the sector equals theta by 360 degree into pi r square. Area of the sector is theta by 360 degree into pi r square. And if we want to find out the length of the arc of the sector, so this length of the arc of the sector, given sector, so this one AB or AMB. So this is called as an arc. Arc is a part of a circle. So therefore the formula is length of arc of a sector L equals theta by 360 into 2 pi r. So observe the differentiation between the formula to find out the area of the sector and the formula to find out the length of the arc of the sector. So here in both the cases theta by 360 is common. So whereas in case of area, we know that area of the circle is pi r square. So therefore we multiply pi r square to be theta by 360. We will get area of the sector. So and the arc of the sector, arc is a part of a circle. So therefore for the circumference of a circle, so it will be theta by 360. If theta by 360 is multiplied by 2 pi r, so then we will get the length of the arc of the circle. Length of the arc of the sector. So this is about the another two formulas regarding the area related to circles. So in the next period, we will see how to simplify the problems by using these two formulas: area of the sector and length of the arc of the sector. So okay students, we will continue in the next class. So before going to that, so you can recall the four formulas here we are used. First one is circumference of a circle, C equals to pi r, and another one is area of a circle, it is pi r square, and third one is area of the sector, so it is theta by 360 into pi r square. So and the length of the arc of an sector, it is theta by 360 into 2 pi r. Okay, we will continue in the next class.